Hey, I'm Eric with BlueMooseTraveler. I make bad videos in pretty cool locations. So check out this reel. Pack off for now. Like the zombies walking through the water.
So for my dear friends, anyone who wants to make a wish, I have some coins.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Thank you.
Don't hesitate. Hopefully you will be back. It's amazing because sometimes people make wishes, or sometimes it's a sign in future you'll somehow actually after this wish you will be back. You said it. Yeah. I've never been to. I have never yet been to Rome again. But hopefully this year I'm moving to Rome. You know, I made a wish there, so I'm moving to Rome. Yeah.
Sorry. Ah! I just got dripped on.
Yes, it's still happening. Hopefully you're blessed.
Hopefully. And hopefully it wasn't somebody peeing.
No. It's rainwater actually. It's rainwater actually.
Rainwater.
Yeah.
Well, I've kissed the Blarney Stone. I got peed on in Turkey. I'll be alright. Oh, there's lots of it.
Yeah. One of the most impressive places actually in Istanbul. Under the ground. People never can.
Jellyfish.
I can also, if you wanna, like a yeah. Water, right? They didn't put that in the water about it, but even what they yeah, for this place, oh my god. If they would afford how it would look like. see a very unique column over there with some carvings, like an evil eye or like a teardrop actually, that we can relate to carving too. But we don't really know what was the reason why they carved a column like this. But there were more of them, but that's the only column that survived and it was brought to the Cistern back then to reinforce the city.
Alright, so what is significant about this right here? That is what's on top of the Basilica. So the pictures and videos you just saw is all underneath the community right here. That's the exit, and the entrance is on the other block. Absolutely crazy. So on top of all that, all the rainwater used to come down and filter into that area and then be spread out throughout the city. Pretty interesting, pretty neat. I hope you enjoyed those pictures. I hope you're enjoying this trip on Istanbul. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Really helps me. And I'll put our tour guide's information in the below. She's really good. She's with Reminder with Barry. She's very great. Same company. However, if you want to come and use her as your tour guide, our current tour guide, you gotta hurry because she is, I guess, going to Italy. So, talk to you soon.
Every time you close your eyes, dream of me. I wanna be a fantasy. Imagine the water falling all on me. I wanna be in your wet dreams. In